Hello, today I'm going to show you how to remove green screen background in OBS Studio step by step 2025. In this quick and easy guide, you'll learn how to use the Chroma Key feature in OBS Studio to remove your green screen background. First, open OBS Studio in the Sources panel at the bottom. Click on the plus icon and choose Video Capture Device. Select your camera, for example, your integrated webcam, and click OK. Once the video source is added, we'll apply the green screen removal effect. Right-click on your video capture device, then choose Filters. In the Effect Filters section, right-click and select Add Select Chroma Key. When the window appears, make sure key color type is set to green. Click OK, and OBS will automatically remove the green background. You can now place any background image or video behind your subject, and that's it. You've successfully removed the green screen in OBS Studio. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.